pans my TV. Sorry for the last video. I was shooting right after it, and for that ending, it's because like the time was gonna end, and I was like, oh my gosh. So I ended it, and I tried to fix the slime without any activator. Here it is, guys. It is not crystal clear how it should be, but it is nice. I'm gonna take it out for you guys. It's still a little sticky, but you want to be really delicate with clear slime. It's still clear when you stretch it. Very nice, very nice. And it looks like it doesn't fit in the container, but the lid is goes a little in deep, so we're good. The next one is this. I call it toothpaste slime, but it's such a pretty color, and it's super stretchy and buttery-like. And obviously, this is not a butter slime. This is like a cornstarch slime, and it's such a fail. But it's really nice to put in a stress ball and to squish softly. And it's kind of like a clay, but it doesn't stick unless you let it settle. But yeah, it kind of dyes your hand, which is not good. Once again, I did not make this with my paints. I used it with dye. The next one is this giant slime. Oh my gosh.
There's a health sink.
See this? It's just water. Okay, I'm going to pour this out. You guys can see this. Okay, here we go. Guys, this is like the glossiest slime ever. Yes, really. So glossy. This is like, okay. Yes. Oh, I don't like even ASMR slime on my hands. Okay, guys, ignore this. Okay. My camera. Okay, here we go. Very quickly. It's so watery. Hear this, guys? Oh my god. So this isn't really slime to be gloss. Yeah. This isn't slime to be taken out of the container. Unless you know what you're doing. But
Like throwing it
for
at
you guys.
Like throwing it at somebody.
Get off of my hands.
Watch him.
Okay. So it's like really jiggly. And I really like it when they settle. So this can be really good jiggly slime. Like if you drop it and it seems to. So see this?
Yo, call me that.
So jiggly. The next one is just some snow. Weird jelly slime that I'm not gonna touch because of certain reasons. Santa slime. So it's a little Santa slime that I got at Michael's. I don't know if I took you guys along the trip. I don't even think I posted the vlog. I vlogged at Michael's, but I don't think I posted it. Too late for that because I'm showing you guys this slime now. So here it is, and yeah, it's really rippy. It's really pretty, but very terrible. Like not terrible, but not the best putty. And the next one is this builder slime. And okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is hard. This is what I don't like about these containers. I got it from a kit, the Nickelodeon kit. And this is real butter slime, guys. I use real Model Magic clay for this. Real butter slime. And it's so nice. But it's a little hard because the edge is dried and I just mixed it in. Nice! So, I mean, it's pretty stretchy. Besides that, it's kind of stringy. But the butter effect isn't so good. Remember, you can't really have a butter effect if it's stringy. Look at that. Okay.
Jingle to him, you
Not
please.
the best. But it's okay. I mean, it's okay. The next one is this blue one, which isn't mine. It's actually Gianna's. But listen to this. Oh. Okay. This is weird. Okay, but let's just focus on this side. Oh, this is like stale slime. Really? Yeah. It's stale slime, guys. Look at this. It's stale slime.
You gotta take good. Stop doing that!
Not good slime. Yeah. The next one is I don't know. Clear slime. Everybody, keep it up. If you want to save clear slime by melting, get the borax or Tide to save the country slime. So here's my clear slime. Every time I make a clear batch of clear slime, it ends up like this. It's not clear or anything
I feel it for 2 days.
at all, and I haven't touched it ever since I made it. And it feels like a jelly.
And that was yesterday. Guys, if she's saying no, it wasn't. Don't listen to her.
And look at this. I just want to show you guys. And it smells really good, only because I added this lip balm. That's why there's like these little blue things in. Like this, and that's very weak. Wow. Never mind. I guess I'm just gonna YOLO it with my hands.
That smells good.
You can't really get it all out because how thick and jelly it is. So either comment down below. Either I keep it like this, or I dye it and have it as a Jello slime and go all out and decorate the container. Comment down below. See what you guys think. So I'd love to know.
And everybody, Yikes, had a meltdown.
Oh my gosh, this is very hard to
Control.
play with.
Oh,
You can't really play with this. It's like cutty at one point and not. Gianna's making messes with it. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're done with this. We're done with this. And I'll just throw that away. No, I'm just kidding. Oh. The next one. Real quick, I just need another slime to get all this off. Need another slime. Not that slime. Give me my that slime. Yeah, open it up. I just need to get all of this.
Yeah.
So I'm just mixing more clear slime into
Okay,
it.
let's know when
Not
you're
doing
done.
anything, but I'm just trying to get this off.
You got me
Hands.
slime?
Okay.
You should switch them. I love up the mountain.
Okay.
I'm on the mountain.
So you guys already seen this, but it has to be included because it's part of my slime. So these are the little heart slimes, and they're super clear.
I don't.
And they're super clear. This is so pretty, guys.
Guys, wait up for me.
And it's super glittery.
You know what I mean.
Super pretty. And then if it breaks, you can just like not really roll it into a ball, but then like place it on the container, and it looks so pretty. Oh my gosh. Wow, this is so pretty. I really like this. And I got all of these for $1. So if you guys want to get these slimes, make sure to go to Target and get them. They're only $1. Or you can get the Stiggly slime for $1, 4 of them. Or you can get these lip.
You can get all those set up
For $1. Real quick though, I'm just gonna try to get this heart off because nobody likes hard stuff in their slime. And this one is a little breaky, but it's just so pretty. And their slime turns out like this. Well, mine turns out like that. You just like leave it like this. Off camera, it looks so pretty. It's like broken glass.
broken glass. Gotta be kidding me.
So pretty.
You can see like the ocean.
The ocean doesn't look like that. The next one is this lemonade slime. So pretty. So pretty. The next one is just QT slime. That's right, it says QT. And here it is. So pretty though. Yeah, I know I did.
Not funny.
It kind of is. Then now we're moving on to the back, and I'm trying to get it done in less than 2 minutes. So let's get started. Okay, first one. I'm only going to show you guys this one because the other one is just like this. Flubbery, not stretchy, broken, and bouncy. And then just like the DIY slime. If you guys want to see that slime, go check the other video, part 1. Super nice. The next one is what I call cinnamon slime, and it is still so pretty, and super pretty. You can't get over how pretty this is. It looks white on camera, but really though, it's not. It's a beautiful cinnamon color, and it's just so pretty. It's so thick and glossy. I love it. See? This is mine. It kind of looks like horchata or eggnog because I added glitter glue into it, and glitter glue and white glue isn't the same. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear this background music, but if you do, my apologies. A lot of stuff is happening. like it. See you guys in the next video. Bye.